systems of inequalities. This is number 1.
Can you use this while you're charging it?
I think so.
Yeah, you can.
So, a systems of inequality has 2 variables. It's going to have an x and a y. So number 1 says, find the value of 2 numbers if their sum is 14 and their difference is 2.
So the difference.
You can think about it. So we're going to call x one number
And Y the other.
and y, we're going to call it the second number. So what does the word sum mean?
Add.
Yeah, and difference means subtract. So what am I going to do with these 2 numbers?
Add and subtract.
I'm going to add and subtract them, and they are going to equal what?
14.
14 and
14 and
2.
2.
This, I worked on this one, so.
So can I use elimination? Can I subtract? You're going, or
You can add.
these will eliminate, right?
Yeah, but they'll both.
Because what's 1 minus 1?
0.
And what's 1 plus 1?
2.
What's 14 plus 2?
6, 7.
Oh, hold on.
17?
It's 14 plus 2?
17?
It's
Plus
not-
2. 14, 15. Oh, 16.
Can you stop for a sec?
John's school is selling tickets to a play. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 2 adult tickets and 2 child tickets for a total of $36. The school took in $29 on the second day by selling 2 adult tickets and 1 child ticket. What is the price of each adult ticket and 1 child ticket?
So let's start with the first.
So what are your 2 variables? We're going to say
a
x.
child ticket could be, or an adult ticket could be $10.
So we're going to say the adult ticket is x.
Okay.
Hold on, can you slow down, please?
Why did I just put the right? So I was thinking
What was the total on the first day?
$36.
So that's going to be by itself on the right side of the equation. How many did they sell on the first day?
4 in total.
4
but
tickets in total.
So remember
2 adults.
So you want 4?
So remember like each and per. What math did that mean? Obviously, if you sold 2 adult tickets, it'd be like 2 times x, right?
Mm-hmm.
And 2 children's tickets or 2 kids tickets would be
Yeah, 2
2 times y.
Mm-hmm.
So then your second day would be what?
2x and 1y
Right.
equals 29. Right?
Correct. Now, could I just subtract going down and get rid of my x's?
Mm-hmm.
So then
Can you
what's,
slow down, please?
so if you have this symbol or this symbol,
Greater than or equal, greater than or greater than or equal
right, you're going to shade
below.
above. So I'll give you a hint in a minute. Less than or less than or equal to, you shade below.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of line do you have if you have those 2 things? Dashed or dotted, however you want to. I don't know if you want to say dotted or if you want to say dashed. But if you have that line underneath, you're going to have a solid line.
Do I borrow a ruler?
Yep. This.
I mean, I know number 4 you put those, what you put the top one in.
You can put the bottom one in too, can't you?
Number 4 is already ready to go.
Do we have to use a calculator for this?
You don't have to.
Or let's do it just so.
All right. So number 3 is not ready to put into your calculator.
Okay, so let me write this down real quick somewhere where I can actually do.
Just one answer. That's why we shade. Because for inequalities, as long as it's in the shaded region, that ordered pair would work if it's in the shaded region.
Yeah.
Where all of them are shaded.
So I have 15x plus 8y is greater than 56.
Hold on, give me a second to write this down.
You want to divide by 15 first, Wilson, or do you want to move the 15x? Or do you want, like,
This for x,
you want to get y alone. You're trying to get y by itself.
divide by 15.
So if you divide by 15, you have to do everything by 15. But I wouldn't divide by 15. Because is 8 divisible by 15?
Minus 15?
I would just minus the whole 15x.
And then do everything minus 15?
Yep, you're gonna. Well, if you minus 15, you just have to minus it from this side and he's
Oh,
gone.
okay. So how'd that look?
I mean, you can leave 15x at the back. I would just leave it like that, and then you won't mess up on your negative signs.
And then divide everything by 8?
Correct?
So, negative 56 divided by 8 is negative 7. Negative 7. And negative 15 divided by 8 is 1.8. Negative 1.875.
Yep. And so now this one is ready to go in your calculator. But let's just do the other ones. We can type them both in at the same time. Let's just do everything at once.
Are the ones we have tonight more like the front ones?
Doubt it.
2 of them, well, there's only one yet you have to do this too on your homework. Everything else is solved for y.
Cool.
So again, you subtract the 3x. Cancels. You have 8y. What do I divide by, Wilson?
8.
To everything.
It Wilson's 40 divided by 8.
No idea.
5.
Do you want the fraction or the decimal for 3/8?
Decimal?
Okay.
I mean, it doesn't really
It doesn't matter, but